Alright, second day. I'm going to put the new crane lifters in here. So, those in there. Here's the blocks we had coated already, so it's got done cleaning them. I honed out the bores slightly to make sure they all fit together nicely. So I go ahead and put together. Hopefully everything fits. Oil. Very important. Got to lubricate your rollers right here. That's how I do it. You don't want to put these in dry. It's hard on the lifters. Tends to make them blow up. Could be a bad thing, I guess. Oily rag. It's a tough job here, see. You want to make sure these turn nice and free, no high spots, nothing, no dragging. If you feel any kind of imperfection, stop, clean the crap out of the roller. You will not be happy if you don't. It gets very expensive really fast. Alright. Loop on there. Okay, those are lubed. Little gasket cinch on the gaskets and the blocks and everything. Gotta be that stuff. You can't find any of this parts, stuff I'm using here. I do have it here at the shop to sell if you need it. Commenters keep asking me where all my chemicals come from. They come from my shelf over there. That's where they come from. Alright. Good. Watch out, you're going to be in a video. Warmed. This is different than 45, so I know you're not used to them.
And I don't want to be.
So you fixed a hole in that valve cover of yours?
I replaced it.
Oh. That sounds expensive.
A friend of mine had a used one. I just cleaned it, zinc chromated it, and I happened to have some Continental engine paint. Painted it, heat dried it.
Was it certified?
It's a certified Continental part. And I'm certified, so I can put it back into service.
You can do what you want with it? Oh, okay.
Well, to a certain extent. I'm an ANPIA, so I can return products to service.
Ah. Certified mechanic.
As long as I supervise it or do it myself.
Supervise it.
Yeah. Sort of like what I'm doing with you.
Yeah, well, I need a lot of help.
Yeah, I'm supervising.
We need a lot of help.
You're doing it right.
Damn right.
See?
Make sure we can fly with it.
Right. Might be flying on the ground, but you're still flying.
I've been airborne before.
Yeah, I know you have. So these are my fucked up cylinders.
Hey, supposed to swear on that.
Oh, sorry about that.
Well, I do that when I get pissed off.
So I set my glasses down somewhere.
Uh-oh. What's, you look at those 80-inch cylinders down there on the floor?
What?
Those are 80-inch cylinders down there.
Flathead 80?
Yep.
Well, I'll see what I can pick up.
All right. There we go. Take the lifter. Make sure it's coated good. Doesn't matter how these go in, as long as they go in all the way. Now if you're quick, you just drop it and throw it in the motor. If you're slow, they'll fall out. Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, I'll go get him.
Go look by the office over there.
Laid him down while I was shoehorning that car, the truck in the parking space.
There's the other one.
Oh, there's one right out front if I can get it.
There we go. And we're putting brand new 12-point bolts in there because they look nice and chrome on top. Stupid Allens, they have a hole in the middle and they corrode. That crap. They look like that when you're done with them. See the difference? 12-point look better. You don't have to put any of those stupid pasty things on there either. They don't want to get hard to get because the studs are in the way. That's why I use one of these. Makes it easier to put in. See how this clears the lifter block up in here? That's where I get the deep well. And one more. What I do is I run these almost all the way down, but not all the way. Like that. Then what I do is I take the block, wobble it back and forth if there's any clearance in anything. This one has no clearance, so it's going to go right where it wants to go.
Alright, I moved it a little closer.
Good.
Like right out front.
That's good.
Has a little bit more room.
How do those look?
What's that?
How do those look?
You want me to get the phone?
Okay, now this one here doesn't have much real clearance either.
Here you go.
Oh, they want to bother me. Hello. Yes. No, I'm working today on something else. Well, you can come and play if you want, but we're working. I gotta get an Evo motor done today. Probably find something for you to do. Okay, bye. Alright, Sportster guy's coming over. Alright, those blocks, if they have clearance in them, I always center up the clearance point and then I torque them down. Instead of using that tapered washer bolt thing. Alright. So you figure out we're going to spray this yet?
I'm ready to spray. I mean, you know, I got the lines all hooked up, nitrogen hooked up.
There you go.
Okay. Is that ready to paint?
Pretty close.
Do you want me to mask anything off?
We'll figure that out in a minute. Alright, these are all installed. Now we're going to go ahead and clear coat it. These blocks have already been clear coated. Now we're going to clear coat everything else here. So we'll do that next. Alright, back to work. Spent all day doing painting, helping customers, instead of working on motors. Alright, all this stuff has been clear coated and waiting to dry. So I got the rocker boxes all done for this Evo motor. This whole Evo motor's been now sprayed, clear coat over everything, this whole lower end. Everything from about here down. It's been coated now and cleaned and buffed and you name it, it'd been done. So I had to redo the rocker boxes here a couple times. I tried the ultrasonic cleaning again. It killed another one. Pretty much giving up on that, I guess, for cleaning off this rouge. Nothing is taken off the buffing rouge, so just working my butt off so anything does it, scraping. So anyway, this is for the 72 Sportster job. He'll be happy I'm working on it finally. Anyway, I got all that buffed and done. Painting sucks. I hate doing it. So this machine over here, all it seems to do is tear up everything. So it works good for cleaning chrome. Other than that, it's junk. So yeah, it looks like this when you clean chrome with it. It's good for doing that. Doesn't cut buffing rouge at all. So I had these repolished. I screwed them up, trying to get them clean. So these have to be clear coated at some point. See how long they will live. And then I got something else in here, all the triple trees in here. So this has been buffed now 3 or 4 times now. It keeps the ultrasonic cleaners killed it twice for sure. Trying to get everything clean out of it and it just keeps killing everything. Oh well. That didn't make the clear coat. Ran out of time. So anyway, I'll get that done. So anyway, this stuff here is I can't work on this motor until tomorrow. At least this part of the motor. Cylinders have already been done already, so now I got to work on the heads. So that'll be the next thing to work on is the heads. So that's what we're going to work on now. Good time to get going and doing motor work. It's 8:30 at night. Yeah, good. Nothing like doing about 8 hours of work now. Not those heads either. Yeah, work on these heads. These were clear coated last week. So all I can do on these is not scratch them up. We'll see how far that goes. So we're going to go ahead and get all the stuff together to work on these. And I'll start working on these. Be back in a minute.